Good morning, children. Now, second type of question is based on reasoning type. Now, first part, account for the following. First part, PbCl4 is less stable than SnCl4, but PbCl2 is more stable than SnCl2. In first part, what is given, children? Two different elements are attached with the same type of halide, and this number is also same, right? What is the reason? For more stability of SnCl4 than PbCl4. PbCl4 is less stable than SnCl4. In oxidation state of Pb is +4. Oxidation state of tin Sn is +4. Okay, children? And what is the trend in the group? Both elements are placed in 14th group. On moving down the group, stability of lower oxidation state increases due to inert pair effect, right? And what is the lower oxidation state? In 14th group is +2, right? Lower oxidation state is +2 and higher oxidation state is +4. When only p electrons are removed, then oxidation state is +2, right? And when s and p electrons are removed, all valence electrons are removed, then higher oxidation state is +4. Okay, children, this is the reason. Due to inert pair effect, lead is more stable in +2 oxidation state, not in +4 oxidation state. And in PbCl4, oxidation state of lead is +4. Okay. Now, second part of same question. PbCl2 is more stable than SnCl2. PbCl2 is more stable than SnCl2. Okay, children, same reason. Oxidation state of lead is +2 and tin is +2 and bottommost element is lead in 14th group, right? Lead is more stable in +2 state. This is the reason. And what is the reason for more stability of +2 oxidation state of lead or bottommost element? Inert pair effect. But carbon tetrachloride is resistant to hydrolysis, but silicon tetrachloride is readily hydrolyzed. What happens in hydrolysis of halide? Lone pair of electron is easily accepted in d orbitals. Okay, children? In carbon tetrachloride, which resists hydrolysis, but silicon tetrachloride is easily or readily hydrolyzed. In carbon tetrachloride, carbon is first element of 14th group, right? Very small in size. Absence of vacant d orbital. Anomalous behavior, which is shown by first element. In 14th group, absence of vacant d orbital. Here vacant d orbitals are absent, but in silicon, vacant d orbitals are present, right? The lone pair of electron, which is donated by water molecule, is easily accepted by silicon in vacant d orbitals, right? What is the reason? Absence of vacant d orbital in carbon and in silicon presence of vacant d orbital. Okay, children? To accommodate this lone pair of electron of water molecule, it means self-linking. A catalysis, the tendency for catalysis decreases down the group. First carbon and last is lead. In which group? 14th group. What is called, children? Catalysis. Catalysis is self-linking tendency. This C with C. This is catalysis. Bonding of carbon with another carbon atom or self-linking tendency or property of carbon atom is called catalysis. Right? Like this, by which carbon forms different types of compounds. Different types means unbranched, branched, cyclic, aromatic, aliphatic, like this, right? For example, like branched organic compound, the small branch of CSA group is present. Cyclic products like this, carbon. Each structure is showing catenation. Carbon with carbon, a straight chain, right? Or unbranched organic compounds, carbon with carbon, carbon with carbon,